All right, everyone, Aaron here. I got an issue with this car, 2005 Honda Civic LX with, I believe, the 1.7 liter engine. I've had the timing chain replaced. I did that. I've done several timing chains. So I'm pretty sure I got everything good to go with that. I also changed the water pump at the same time. There was some slack in the tensioner for the timing chain when I originally changed it. Valve cover gasket's been changed. Uh, New battery. I've already checked the fuel rail. We got spray coming out of each one of the, I guess you call it the nozzles there for the fuel to be spraying in there. Fuel injectors are good, but getting spark, checked all the coil packs. I actually replaced them. They're good to go. Replaced oil, of course, all that kind of stuff, coolant, everything else. The only thing missing there, I believe that's the power steering fluid cap that I had to put on my wife's fan because I lost hers. Anyways, the point is I can't get this vehicle to start. It will turn over. But it just will not actually fire. Case of this vehicle was about a little bit over a year ago. An elderly lady had a car, said she drove it, didn't drive it for a while, then she went to start it, I guess it just wouldn't start on her. So I got it for a fairly good price, and I figured it'd be hopefully a quick turnaround. I've had this vehicle now for almost a year. Another thing I changed was the ground here. The old ground strap was garbage. It was falling apart. I know that probably wouldn't make a difference, but just want to make sure the vehicle was grounded. This isn't the correct one, but it's the best I can get to see if I can get this thing to fire up. Anyway, this is what it sounds like when it goes to start. Again, I apologize. I'm doing this on my own. Where is that? There we go. There we go. As you can see, the engine is turning over. It is spinning one of the pulleys there. I believe that's the power steering. I don't seem to have a key mismatch issue or anything. I know that's an issue that can happen, but doesn't seem to be going on there. One more time. So if anybody's got any ideas out there as to why this vehicle will not actually fire and start, again, I'm getting fuel, obviously getting air, cleaning the air filter out and all that. I don't believe the exhaust is clogged up or the cat's clogged up. Might be a possibility. I don't know. But if anybody's got any ideas as to why this may not be starting, I definitely appreciate some help with that. All right. Thank you.